everybody. So I was gonna make these into shorts, but there was no way that all of this stuff could fit in 15 seconds. So I went to Target because I saw people buying these. First I saw people were buying these like bag clips, and I already opened that. I put those ones on shorts. They're like Disney princesses, but there's also Dopey. And there's some Star Wars ones. Then I found some other things like this Disney Doorables. It comes with 5, 6, or 7, and they're little mini figures. I'll show you the back. And some of them are rare, common, ultra rare. And some of them you have to like reveal what colors. I have no idea, so we'll figure it out together while I'm opening it. Also, I found this. The Nightmare Before Christmas Chibi Snaps. I have no idea what this is at all. Like, I have no idea what I'm gonna open it up and what I'm gonna find. So we'll find out together. And then this thing, I already started opening up this thing. I was in the middle of making a short and I did not realize that there was going to be so many compartments. So it's like, it was this. Let me put it around in the ball so you can see. Those Disney mini brands, and they're little mini figures. I thought this was gonna be like one ball, you open it up. No, so I opened it up and I was trying to make a short with it, and then all of these fell out, and I'm like, oh, there's no way I could open that up in 15 seconds. I got one open in the meantime, and it ended up being a tiny little C-3PO. So that's really cool. I like that. So let's open the rest of these together. I have no idea what kind of figures. Like, there's no backing to like say what's gonna be in here. So I have no idea. I was not expecting to get a C-3PO. Mickey Mouse maybe, but alright, so next one, let's see. These are definitely for children, but I'm a child at heart. Oh, look at that. Pretty sure that's Sleeping Beauty, right? Trying to get like a good... It's like a little Sleeping Beauty. They're like, it looks like a mini Barbie. How funny. So far I have a C-3PO and Sleeping Beauty. Let's see. Next compartment. What is this? Oven lights up. It's a tiny kitchen. It's a tiny kitchen. Hold on. I gotta open this. What is this? There's nothing in here. What? I don't understand. There's nothing in there. It just came with. It's just this. Is it just a box? Is it just supposed to be a box? I thought it was gonna be a mini oven. I'm so confused right now. Wow. Oh look, there's a piece of paper in here. What is this? Is that supposed to happen? Like, is there not supposed to be something in here? No idea. That's weird. Okay. Moving on. Next compartment. Okay, what is this? Okay, it's a little tiny, like mini phone. Okay, we have one more in here. Oh, Rapunzel. We got another little tiny Rapunzel princess. Let's see, does it say? So we did not get any ultra rare ones. Let's see. Common. I guess that mini fake nothing in the box playset is common, but I don't get why there's nothing in there. It's very confusing. I guess the rest of them are also common because there's no indication. See, it's like rare up there, but then it says common, and then it just keeps going around, and then that's cool. My favorite is see-through. I'll probably keep this one. Maybe give the rest up to like my nieces or something. Interesting. Okay, moving on. Let's open up this Nightmare Before Christmas thing. Still have no idea what it's gonna be in here. I just like went to Target and picked out a few things. Okay. Oh, we got a Jack Skellington. Oh. Yeah, this guy. Let's see it. Locke and Jack Skellington. There was an ultra rare glow Oogie Boogie. I wish we got that one. So, what do these things do? Oh, wait. Oh, they have like suction cups at the bottom. This is what it looks like. It's like a suction cup. Okay, so what is it? Chibi Snaps. Oh, is it? So it's the thing that you pop it down and then it like bounces back up. Do I have anything that will work on? Oh, I did it. Hold on, I'm gonna bring it up to you. Oh, it didn't even stay. Maybe it's not that? That's exactly what it looks like though. I don't get it. I don't understand. This guy has the same little thing with this one. I'll figure these out later and I guess I will let you know. Probably like an idiot trying to stick it to things. You're probably like, that's not what it even does. Or you guys are like, you're doing it wrong. I have no idea what I'm doing. My cousin loves Nightmare Before Christmas, so I'll probably just give these to them. So. Still cool though, like cool figurines to like put on your shelf or something. See-through Hero is still winning. Okay, so now I have this thing. So let's get in here. Your favorite Disney adorable characters with sparkly glittery eyes. So tiny and cute, you can't help but collect them all. Imagine if you had all of these. Oh my god, that'd be so many. On every door, I'm trying to figure out the best way to open this thing. Oh, there's like a key. Oh, this is like a, oh, interesting. So it comes with this like magnifying. Oh wow, that's cool. Hold on. Easily entertained. Okay. Okay, interesting. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to use this. Okay, so I opened it up. This is what showed up. It says, find the hidden key. Do I use this on this? Oh, find the hidden Mickeys. Okay. You see this? Oh, I just flipped up the camera. Sorry. You see this? Find the hidden Mickey. So There's hidden Mickeys. I guess you guys can't really see it, but I can see it. So there's like hidden Mickeys on this, through this lens. And I guess this is what this is for. That's cute for like your kids or something. Or Disney adults that can't go to Disney that want something to do. Okay, so now I'm gonna open oh my god, there's a lot of these in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. See, they come in like these compartments. Came with a checklist. Okay, it shows you which ones are rare, common, and what category they fit into. Okay, so let's see. First one. Oh, this looks like it could be something from Jungle Book. Oh, is this supposed to... This is supposed to be blue. What does green mean? What is green on the back of this? Ooh, green is rare. So this is supposed to be blue from the Jungle Book. Okay, there's one. Okay. Got another one. It's cool that I got a rare one though. Alright. Slow motion. Oh, it's that alligator from The Princess and the Frog, right? Yeah. Yep. Apparently he's common, but he's cool. I like him. Wicked cool. Interesting. Alright, well, here we go. It's a beast. I wonder, what is the rarity of beast? Beast is common. This is a common one you would get. He's cute though. What am I gonna do with all these little figures? Okay. Oh. It's all blue. What is this one supposed to be? There you go. Yeah, that's my piece of paper. Pausing. Did I already lose that? What just happened? Let me put it in my pocket. Oh, it's right here. Weird. Okay, I found it. Oh. Oh. Okay, so this is supposed to be fill a container with water and then it brings the colors to life. 1 second. Okay, we'll do that after. Put that one down. We'll open up the last one. I got this package. Oh, it's Elsa. Starter here. It's cute. I wonder what her... Elsa is common. I guess Anna is the rare one. That's cute. So I guess the rarest one we got was blue. But let me, but I guess the special color reveal is a special edition. So this is a special edition, so I guess you might not always get this one. Let me go get a container full of water. I got water and I waited to do it on camera to see what it looked like. So just dump her in there. See what happens. Interesting. Wonder if I'm doing this right. Do I have to like move her around or do I wait? It's turning all misty. Yeah, I can start to see like some, like her crown is coming out. This is interesting. This is definitely something fun to do with kids, or a 27-year-old has something else better to do in her room. Look, you can't even see anymore. I'm gonna try to find it. Oh. Oh. Look at that. That's cool. Not sure how that works or why, but that was cool. Yeah, so it's the purple one of Aurora. It was fun. I have some blue water. My hands are all wet. Oh. So we got a couple of interesting things here. So this is what, if you can't go and buy stuff at Disney parks because you're home and you're craving some Disney stuff, I guess go to Target and find some of these things. I found this in the actual kids department. The rest of this stuff, like these bag clips and this these balls were in the front, like near the gift cards and like where there used to be sports cards. Yeah, so this is definitely something fun. And it was pretty cheap. I think this thing was $10 and to do with your kids or just for you to do it, because you can get some really cool characters and some rare ones and stuff. You can add it to your little Disney collection. I like this. One more time for the people at home. Like this thing, I'll keep that. I don't know why, but I will. So yeah, so we got Elsa, we got Aurora, we got Baloo, we got the alligator, we got Beast, and then we got Sleeping Beauty and Rapunzel, these little Barbie things, and then this thing is still blowing my mind. It's an empty box. I don't understand. And a little tiny phone. I'm probably gonna give this to my niece. C3PO staying with me though. Awesome. Okay, well, I hope I gave you something to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.